Welcome back to Kenny Row Productions, and today we have a very busy day on the Bnsf Emporia sub. Recently, I got a new radio scanner. It is the Baofeng 5RM. Sadly, I did not get any audio from it, but hopefully in the next video I'll get some audio. About 5 minutes after we got to our spot, we heard a train coming from the right side, so I was set up waiting for that one to come. But this train that came first caught us by surprise because we didn't really expect a train coming from the left. So turns out there was a train coming from the right, but it was just taking longer to get here. Next up, we have a Bnsf grain train that gave us a friendly honk. Next up, we have a local led by Bnsf GP38-2 2299. This isn't the first time I've seen this locomotive. I caught this pair back in 2022 with an ATSF caboose on it. I don't think that caboose is around anymore, but this loco would eventually go on to serve a steel plant and the local airport. Next up, we have a train transferring from the Fort Scott sub over to the Bnsf Emporia sub using the transfer track. The speed limit for the transfer track is 10 miles an hour, so this train came in real slow. Next up, we have an intermodal train led by Bnsf number 6358. Next up, we have a grain train led by Bnsf number 7435. This next train's second unit was having problems with its battery control, so it was shutting off a lot. They went over the radio and talked to the maintenance crew, and they said to restart it. That's some very useful advice. Next up, we have an intermodal led by Bnsf number 6631. Next up, we have a mixed freight with 2 -9s and 1 AC 4400 CW dead in tow. also had 2 DPUs, one of them being CSX number 877. Next up, we have another train using the connecting track coming off of Fort Scott onto the Bnsf Emporia sub. This train also had a lot of units dead in tow with one Canadian Pacific unit. And thanks to the new radio scanner I got, we know this train was 6,900 feet long. And for the final train of the day, we have a fast intermodal led by Bnsf number 7438. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. I just launched my Wirestock store, which is where I put all my photos. I highly recommend you go check it out.